Greetings.
I have no intention of fighting at full power. I have no intention of fighting at full power. Failure is not allowed. Have I made myself clear?
That's right. You're my only brother, and I had hoped you would understand. Until you can prepare to face the might of the Saiyan race!
Now we're talking. This is starting to get interesting. This opponent isn't so ordinary.
Don't get yourself too excited landing a blow on me!
Leave him alone! You hear me?
The small one seems to be a Saiyan. Raditz's son? Yes, that must be it. Well done! A marvelous show!